2023 Lexus RX 350 Exterior Colors, Interior, Dimensions. The 2023 Lexus RX 350 bears forward unaffected from just last year using the same specs and capabilities. Launched in August 2021, it is actually available for sale in 3 trims with all the price beginning with $45,320, which will not add the $1,075 destination fee. The most up-to-date inclusion for this particular season may be the RX 350 Black Range Edition, which characteristics 3 new colors and an all-black interior for $49,450. To get a sportier view, the RX 350 F Sport is also available for $48,800. Each of the trims are operated by a 295 HP 3.5L V6 engine that is certainly hooked to a regular RWD drivetrain and delivers 23 mpg general. For $1,400 more, you will get the AWD across all of the trims. If you wish much more energy effectiveness, the 2023 Lexus RX 450h Hybrid is the one to pick. Using the redesign pegged for 2023 May, the 2023 Lexus RX 350 competes up against the like of the Acura MDX, Mercedes-Benz GLE Corse, and the BMW X5. 2023 Lexus RX 350 redesign. Exterior. The personal spindle grille continues to be intact together with the 2023 Lexus RX 350 and is supported by the LED headlamps with inverted LDRLs as regular over all trims. Improve on the RX 350 F Sport or even the new Darkline Edition designs, and you will definitely get blacked out decorations all over the exterior. Using the Black Series model, you additionally discover 3 new colors which can be known as Caviar, Cloudburst Grey, and Grecian H2O, which all appearance spectacular independently. On the part, the standard 18-inch alloy tires rest in full glory within the lower trims, which offer the Journey a general ground clearance of 8.2 inches. Within the 2023 Lexus RX 350 F Sport and the black-colored series version, these are knocked around even bigger 20-inch alloy wheels that look even sportier and menacing. The Lexus RX 350 is the most compactly created, and that is amongst the factors that this next row chairs is non-obligatory. The BMW X5 is built similar to a large and definitely looks the portion with its bigger dimensions and the very best control body weight from the whole lot. The Acura MDX will be the longest and nevertheless manages to keep your weight low, whilst the GLE Corse receives the longest wheelbase, which helps in producing more room within the interior and including more balance. Interior. The interior in the 2023 Lexus RX 350 stays unchanged this current year. Nevertheless, which is possibly not bad ever since the ride gives one of the best high-quality materials inside the chain for your price it requirements. You get a choice among lightweight aluminum, wooden, or natural leather individual panels based on the clip amounts. Specific just for this 12 months, the RX 350 Black Color Range Edition provides an all-black color interior that looks stick out with all the new exterior colors. The front side seating gets strength adjustability as standard and pick up warming and ventilation capabilities as you may move up the toned amounts. There may be adequate place in both series for even the tall guys to be sitting easily. The non-obligatory third row chairs might really feel crowded to the adults, but children will probably be sitting all right. Together with that, in addition, you get 16 cu feet of freight room, which can be adequate ample for the getaway on the few days with the family. In comparison to the Relax, the GLE Corse supplies the greatest room within both series. The Acura MDX is definitely the only contender that comes with a few lines of chairs as normal, and yet provides sufficient area in all of the series. 2023 Lexus RX 350 engine. Underneath the hood, the 2023 Lexus RX 350 fails to bring any changes. You receive the same kind of reliable 3.5L in a natural way aspirated V6 engine that could churn out 295 HP and 267 lb-ft of torque. The engine is available connected to a 8-velocity auto transmission that will place the capability to the wheels using the RWD as standard. For that AWD, be ready to shell out $1,400 more. The 2023 Lexus RX 350 is produced as a relaxed and understated motorist, and the powertrain and transmitting setup definitely do proper rights to that concept. The 2023 Lexus RX 350 will not be made for functionality, and its acceleration time surely reflects a similar. Place the pedal to the aluminum and the trip can sprint from -60 miles per hour in 7.7 moments. The quarter mile requires a calm 15.5 seconds, displaying that it's in no rush to have anywhere. Even though you get the upgraded suspensions with the RX 350 F Sport, there is not any development in the velocity occasions. 2023 Lexus RX 350 price and release date. Lexus has not yet created any official announcement concerning the start of the 2023 Lexus RX 350, but we count on it to take place in December 2022. The 2023 Lexus RX 350 carries the same two trims from just last year, the regular and the F Sport, and also brings a new limited generation black collection version for 2,500 models only. Launched in fall 2021, the price starts off from $45,320 for the base version with FWD and goes up to $50,850 for that dark line edition with AWD. Should you expensive the hybrid RX 450h, the MSRP commences from $48,020 onwards.